In this video I want to show you how you can reverse testicular shrinkage fully throughout the night. Hello, welcome back to the video. In this video I want to show you how you can reverse testicular shrinkage fully throughout the night. The first thing that we should do every night is sleeping naked. Try to sleep naked whenever possible, as this will ensure optimum ventilation of the scrotum during the night. If naked sleeping is not possible for you, then sleep with thin sleeping trousers or breathable underwear, and make sure that you use a slightly thinner blanket to ensure a better nighttime cooling. Second, when you sleep naked at home, use the two blanket methods. It's significantly improving the state of varicocele, trust me please. To improve the cooling, I recommend the two blankets methods. One blanket covers your feet and legs until just before the scrotum. It's around here. Make sure that the blanket is not placed too far towards the upper body. Otherwise, it is quite possible that the heat from the things will spread to the scrotum, and thus the desired improved cooling effect cannot be achieved. You can then simply place the second blanket comfortably on your upper body so that you will not freeze at night. Yeah, I know, the whole thing may seem a little bit strange at first, but as long as you sleep alone in your bed at home, you will achieve the best cooling effect with this method. The good feeling of waking up in the morning with the cool testicles is worlds better than noticing that the testicular temperature has continued to be elevated all night long and has not dropped to normal temperature overnight. Fertility, especially in the morning, can also be positively influenced by this method. Also, another helpful tip for cooling throughout the day is adjust the room temperature at the day and in the night. To reach the normal temperature of the testicles at night and during the day, you can also keep the room temperature, especially in the bedroom, a little cooler than in the other rooms. This also cools the varicocele and the scrotum better, and if you are lightly clothed, if you have light clothing like thin underwear, thin trousers, simultaneously train the scrotum function like the cremaster muscle, like tighten when it's cold and like expanding when it's warm is the cremaster muscle function. So when you enter the room in your bedroom and it's a little bit cooler, your cremaster will automatically tighten and like just be trained the way you do it like this. Yeah, this contracts in cold weather and pulls the scrotum towards the body. You will also find it easier to fall asleep because the cooler air is refreshing, easier to breathe, and the mucous membranes do not dry out as quickly. Yeah, and as I mentioned before, you should try to sleep as often as possible on your back. Also, during a 30 minutes power nap, you should always lay on the bed and use the two blankets method for ideal and perfect cooling. In addition, the probability that the varicocele is and remains deflated during the night is highest in this position. Deep abdominal breathing can make it easier to fall asleep. It's like a breathing in and breathing out slowly to fall asleep. Of course, you should not force yourself from one day to the next day always to sleep on your back. Just try it out. If it doesn't work, you can always take the lateral position as straight as possible to fall asleep. If you wake up at night, turn on your back and correct your sleeping position. If you've already slept once, it is usually much easier to fall asleep again. This way you can slowly but surely get used to the new sleeping position, which is on the back, which is the best for varicocele cooling. Yeah, that's basically it. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you liked it. I hope it helps you. And yeah, see you in the next video. Thank you.